yetu, hakuna matata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I love Tanzania. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll never forget this. You guys are gonna keep me coming back. You're making me cry. Asante sana. Thank you.
O 'di ba ang lovebirds na ito nagbakasyon muna sandali. Third time celebrating my birthday in Africa and I always come home with a full heart and belly. So I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi to say big love to the amazing people of Tanzania and everyone who greeted me. Asante sana. So happy to share this experience with Janine Gutierrez. Thanks for being sneaky. Ayan, so ang saya-sayang makita ang dalawang ito na nagbabakasyon muna sandali sa kanilang mga trabaho. Itong si Echo, no, dahil sa October magiging abala na siya sa pagpopromote ng kanyang Quezon movie. Habang itong si Janine Gutierrez may pinaghahandaang pelikula at proyekto na I'm sure kaabang-abang talaga ito. Kaya naman itong dalawang ito magaling umarte, pero okay din ang kanilang puso dahil sila ang kanilang inspirasyon sa bawat isa.